Hello and welcome back to my channel. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year in advance. On this channel, I create content around my hair growth, skincare routine, and I share my beauty hacks. But in this video, I'm going to be showing you how I created a Bantu knot, like 14 Bantu knots from my hair using extension. While I show you the process of making I will also share with you the story behind Bantu knot. For me, I love Bantu knots because it is easy to make and it's a protective hairstyle. I don't lose my hair when I do Bantu knots. I've always thought of anybody who can wear Bantu knots in the society as somebody that is bold and brave. Bantu knots is more than just a style or a fashion statement. It's a connection to African heritage and identity. Bantu knots have their roots in Africa, specifically among the Bantu-speaking people. The word Bantu refers to a large group of over 400 ethnic communities spread across Central and Southern Africa. This group of people share similar languages and cultural traditions. Bantu knot is also called Zulu knot, and their traditional hairstyle. This hairstyle has been passed down for generations, like I tell you, for generations. This hairstyle can be worn during ceremonies, celebration, and it can also be a way to express pride, that okay, I'm from Africa. Maybe you don't already know, but in African cultures, hair signifies your identity, your status, and spirituality. So if you are making Bantu knots or you have your Bantu knots on your head, there is something you are saying. How this Bantu knot style was invented or created is not exactly known, but we are aware that this hairstyle has been in African culture for generations. Bantu knots were not only a protective style, but also a way to maintain curly and kinky hair. These knots allowed for easy maintenance in hot climates while preserving the hair's health. Bantu knot is one of the hairstyles that came to the limelight because of the Black community movement outside Africa. Hairstyle became a strong identity for Black community. The enslaved Africans brought this and other hairstyles to the Americans, where they became the symbol of cultural pride and resilience. Like if you are wearing Bantu knots at the time, it's a subtle way of saying, okay, I have a connection to my roots and I'm not against where I am from. So today Bantu knots are celebrated globally as a versatile hairstyle. Because now there are different ways you can wear Bantu knots. You can add colors, you can use just your natural hair, you can use extension, you can have it in a smaller pattern, bigger pattern. There is just a lot of things that you can do with Bantu knot. It is so versatile, and it also allows you to blend your tradition, your culture with the modernization, with the modernity, while honoring your African heritage. I mean, if I do not even have any reason to love Bantu knots, this is enough reason for me, because I can make a bold statement about where I am from, about my roots, and I can still blend into the society as a modern woman or as a modern lady. So when next you are going to be trying to wear Bantu knots, or when next you are going to be styling your hair into a Bantu knot, know that you are not just wearing a style. Know that you are not just wearing a hairstyle. It is a story. It is pride. It is resilience. Yes. In a world where frontal is taking over, in a world where wig is taking over, and if you want to attend an event or a program and you don't have like a wig on, you are feeling left out. You can imagine walking into a hall full of elite, and there's a standard, there's how you should look, and you just walk in making a bold statement with your Bantu knot. Trust me, all eyes will be on you. But yeah, who cares? Exactly. So do you now get why I said I think of people who wear Bantu knots as a bold and brave women or lady? Yeah, so here I was done styling the whole Bantu knot, but then I thought, what can I do to spice this thing up? What can I do to make it look different? This is why I said Bantu knot is versatile, because who could have thought that if I added a string of cords in the front like this, well, you can still call this Bantu knot. It is still Bantu knot, and I'm glad it actually turns out nice. Is it nice? No, beautiful actually. Yeah, I'm about to reveal the final look. It's not something big, but it's something cute. Oh, look at me. That's me. That's me on my buttonnuts. I can't imagine how many people were staring at me on my street when I stepped out with this hairstyle. I hope I've been able to convince and not confuse you about buttonnuts. I'll see you in my next one.